Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Brimlow, and today we're going to look at some application problems with volume. I'm not sure what page this is in your packet, but it's also linked to Canvas if you need a copy. What I really want to focus on today when working with word problems is the wording of it and how you know you're looking for volume. We're going to be learning about surface area, and we'll look through those problems quick in this video to see the difference in the wording. But that's really what I want to focus on because I know and feel confident in your ability to find volume. So we're going to start with this first one. The inside of a refrigerator in a medical lab measures 17 inches by 18 inches by 42 inches. How much samples can you fit in? So I'm going to go back now with my highlighter. You just need one to highlight. What are the key phrases that tell me that this is a volume? We're talking inside, okay? So if you're talking inside, you're talking about the space inside of the figure. Refrigerator tells me the shape or the type of prism, which in this case is a rectangular prism. And once again, we see fit in at the end. So we know our keywords are inside, fit in, okay? So formula to find volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. Once again, we're finding volume. So we substitute in what we know. So they give us 17 by 18 by 42. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and use our calculator to calculate this. 17 by 18 by 42, which is 12,852 inches cubed. Okay. So that is the volume inside of the refrigerator and how much space they have to store their samples. Okay. So I want to talk about number 2. We're not going to get into it because we haven't learned the concept yet. But let's see the difference in wording. A birthday gift is placed inside the box shown. What is the minimum amount of wrapping paper needed to wrap this gift? So if we just pause and think about this for a second, where does wrapping paper typically go on a gift? It goes around the outside. This is an example of what we call surface area when you talk about the area of the surface of a prism. So wrapping paper is on the outside. So when we're talking about surface area of a prism, we're looking for terms that would mean outside. Another example is number 6, where it says frosting. Now, frosting can go inside of a cake, but it says covered in frosting. So those are just some key words to be mindful of to know the difference of when you're looking for volume and surface area. And we'll be coming back to these once we go over this. All right, so number 5. Lawrence is donating some outgrown clothes to charity. How many cubic feet of clothes will fit in the box? Okay, so we're looking at volume, and I know that because it says fit in, and it also says cubic feet. When we talk about surface area, area is always squared. It's the 2D space. Cubic means volume. It's to the power of 3. Okay, so some keywords we saw were fit in and cubic feet. And we are looking for volume. Now, they actually didn't give us any measurements, so I'm not going to give you any to try and solve. Once again, I really wanted to focus on the wording and how you tell what you're looking for in these types of word problems. So you're going to go ahead and practice this. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will chat with you soon.